Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a CAME BPT TH 500 thermostat and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's one of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this thermostat is not working or not responding, or it's not connecting to your heating system, or any kind of issues like this where it's bugging and not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, you will need to set this thermostat up again because it will be restored to its factory default settings. The other reason you might want to do this is kind of related to that, in that if you want to set this thermostat up in a new house, or just for any reason you want to wipe everything off of it, this will do that for you. So all you need is like a real small flathead screwdriver, or even like the tip of a pen or something like that you can do it with. And depending on the specific model, this can be a little bit harder to see than with others. But basically, it has these notches at the bottom. And sometimes you actually have to look at the bottom. The notches are not on the face. You have to actually look at the bottom of the thermostat. But anyways, you'll see there's 4 on the left and 4 on the right. And all the way to the one all the way to the right is actually a reset button that you can stick a pen or the tip of a paper clip or a screwdriver in and press and hold it until the screen turns off. It'll take about 10 seconds, at which point you can release it and it will be reset to its default settings.